everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're at HomeGoods. I'm trying to find the things that I need for the house. So far, I picked up a few things for the kitchen and also the bathroom and for the windows. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let me show you what they got at this HomeGoods. Let me know in the comments down below if you see any items that you like that you might go on a hunt for at your local HomeGoods. Now that we moved into our new home, I feel like I need so much, and I literally go to HomeGoods every other day just to find what I'm looking for. I need an entry table like this. Not too big, not too small. This is only 150. But I'm gonna wait on that. There's certain things that I want to get before I decide to make a purchase for the entryway. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I like it for my dining area. Wouldn't that be nice? It's only 500. I like this for the entryway or the dining area. I think it's really pretty, but it's white. Probably for the entryway. Well, we'll keep looking. Hopefully we find something that I like. That pillow right there is really pretty for my living room. I do want to add a little bit of blue. Aqua, I want to say. I think that one is $24.99. So I'm probably going to go to Rosa and see what they have over there. Because I know Rosa is a little bit more affordable. And sometimes you find the same things from HomeGoods at Rosa. So I want to find maybe like a basket, trash cans, and all that stuff. That's a pretty pond back there. Oh, those trees are gorgeous. The smaller one is 20 and the bigger one, I think it's 29. Let me check. Oh, $24.99. Still a good deal. I need some kitchen towels. Some pretty ones. Let me see if I can find something. They don't have that many. I love plates, so that's not what I came for. So we're gonna keep looking. Those are beautiful. Look at that black collection. Oh, I see. This matches what I just got. I got a. Oh, this is $20. And the spoon and the fork. Let me show it to you. I have it over here. Look at that. It's $12.99. But I don't want to take both of them, so I'll just take the spoon and the fork. Wow, those plates are gorgeous. Check it out. How many do they have? I need 8. I need a salt and pepper container, but I do not want to pay $20 for it. They have this one right here, which is $7.99, but I don't like it either. I think I'm gonna have to look on Amazon. Oh my goodness, look at those polka dot hangers. So cute. It is so busy, you guys. So busy today. Maybe this is Friday. I don't know, but let me show you what they have over here. Yeah, I think I'm ready for Ross. Let me see again. Yeah, I didn't find any shower curtains that I like. I hope I can find the rest at Ross. And maybe we'll go to Burlington. I don't know what time Burlington closes, but we'll check it out. Alright, so let me show you what I have. Curtain, and then I'm also going to take the napkin rings because they're so pretty. I'll use them on the island. And then I got a few things for the kitchen. We're going to take all of them for different rooms. That's going to be for Athena, the laundry room, our bathroom, because I don't have a curtain in one of the windows. So we'll take those two. And as for curtains, I'll keep looking because I didn't find anything. I have this already at home, so we'll just look. I say let's go to Ross because I think I'm done. So vámonos. I'm digging this candle right here. It looks so chic and sophisticated. It's 16, I believe $16.99. I might take it. I'm thinking about it. Oh wow, look at that huge one. $24.89. No, I think I'll pass. I'll come back. Alright, we are done here. So now we're gonna go to Ross. This HomeGoods was so busy, but we got what I needed. Alright, so we made it to Ross. Hopefully I can find everything I need. So let's go check it out. Alright, the cool thing about Ross is they close at 11. So that gives me a little bit more time to just look around and see what I can find. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. $3.99. Okay, I'm losing my focus. This happens all the time. Oh, this is cute. Alright, so let's go back there. I think they have the home decor down there, so let's go check it out. Leo, a bar stool here, and now Athena wants one. I got him this one right here, which is a lion. And I think I'm gonna get Athena a little kitty cat like this. So cute. Oh my goodness, they have a unicorn and a kitty. I'm gonna message my husband a picture of them and see what. Okay, I decided to pick the little kitty cat. I think Gigi's gonna love it, and Athena's gonna fight over it. Maybe I should get 2, right? But they only have 1, I think. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, I need a trash can and the shower curtain. They're only $11.99. They're pretty cool. This is what I got going on my shopping cart. I'm trying to stay focused. If I see something that I like, I'll put it in the shopping cart, but at the end I'll check to see if I still need it. Oh wow, this is a really nice tray. It's only $14.89. Really pretty. Oh wow, look at that horse. Beautiful. More mirrors. I have a ton of mirrors at home, so I'm gonna skip this part. But they're affordable, $60. Not bad. Okay, so this is my shopping cart from Ross. I got a few things for my little closet that I have. Let me just double check, see if they have more, but honestly, I don't think so. It's already 10 o'clock too. I gotta go because it's pretty late. Thank you for hanging out with me. I will see you guys soon, and you guys will see everything here displayed in my home. Bye, guys.